Poland announced that it will acquire 22 AW101 Multirole helicopters made by Leonardo, Italy. Brigadier General Ireneusz Nowak of the Polish Army stated that the AW101 helicopters will be used by units in the 25th Air Cavalry Brigade, complementing the AW149 Multirole battlefield support helicopters which had been acquired earlier, local media reported. The AW101 helicopter in the multi-role version will replace the Mi-8 and Mi-17 helicopters from Russia. The AW101 will most likely be used primarily as a transport helicopter. In Poland, the Army will become the second user of the AW101 after the Navy acquired 4 helicopters of the anti-submarine version and Combat SAR mission, ZOP-CSAR. The AW101 helicopter will be delivered this year by main contractor PZL-Swidniik, the Polish subsidiary of Leonardo Helicopters. The AW101 is powered by 3 General Electric CT-78E engines. The helicopter is 22.83 meters long and 6.66 meters high. It can reach a cruising speed of 277 kilometers per hour, 150 knots. The heli has a passenger cabin that can be configured in 25 seats.